Happy New Year 2024. It's my first video, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Started a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna explain to you what I'll be recording. So I'll be doing street riding videos, track day videos, just all kinds of sorts and ins and outs. But today I'm gonna be changing the oil on my CBR 1000. And then my second video is coming up. I'll explain more about my ZX10, which I'll probably film that today too, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and just let me know what I can do better, or what you think, or what you like and what you don't like. Thank you. It's my 2012 CBR 1000. It's fun. I've had it for a little over 2 years now. About 2 years. It's a fun bike. I love this thing. I don't think I ever get rid of it. Coming up sometime, probably in the next video, I'll do something on this. This is my 14 ZX10. I'll go over everything because I need to go over and maintenance everything before March, because I'll probably be going to the barber in March. So I need to do some things to it, and I'll make a video on it. But today I'm gonna be working on this. Let's go dump this oil at Advance, and then we'll get right to it. Well, first, let's get a little cold start action. It's been sitting for a couple weeks, so it's been on the cinder. Let's see if it cranks. There it is. So one night I was out riding and the back screw came out. Didn't notice. And I looked down and I was going the speed limit. This summit was flapping pretty hard and scraped it up pretty good, which sucks, but I'll see if I can find another kit for it. So I like these fairings, so I might see if I can find some OEM fairings for it, the same color. Which I hate, because I was like, the OEM ones, I don't really want to go aftermarket, so I might stick to OEM. So I'm at 4K on this oil. This is not bad. Took those damn gloves off. Damn dangles was too loose. So let's pop this oil filter off and go from there. Got so many of these damn half-filled drugs laying around, I might as well go use them for our Polaris. I dumped it all on this one, so this one's good. Alright. Go and put this oil filter on. Perfect. Perfecto moon. Alright, brake parts cleaner. I had to go pick my little boy up from the bus stop, so I gave him a little time to dream. Put my oil filter. Alright, good to go. Now I'm gonna start filling it up. So this is what I had left over. It's got 1 quart. Now for the new one. Oh, I always run Motul, the 7100. One thing I hate about factory fairings, they're a pain in the ass to put on. So that concludes the oil change video on the CBR. I'm about to start working on video 2 of the ZX10. If you liked, please comment or subscribe. Let me know how I did. First video, probably not the best, but I'm trying. So let me know what you think. Thank you.